Hello friends, this is Amrita from iExamB. In this video, we'll be discussing about SEBI Legal Officer exam. How is it a good career opportunity after you complete your LLB? Many people have a dilemma as there are many opportunities for LLB graduates. क्या करें क्या ना करें, गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करें या कॉर्पोरेट लॉ फर्म्स ज्वाइन करें, लिटिगेशन में जाएं, जुडिशरी के लिए प्रिपेयर करें, क्या करें? So in this video, I have come up with one suggestion that you can work with one of the most reputed organizations of our country, which is a very good career opportunity, especially for the freshers. अब what is SEBI ये पहले जान लेते हैं so that we can better understand about SEBI, its working, job profile, and also about the exam for SEBI legal officer. Why choose SEBI? SEBI is actually the Securities and Capital Market regulator of our country. It is regulating the capital commodity market of our country, and thus it is if you're working with SEBI, you will be part of the regulation for the most dynamic and complex segment of our economy. So working with SEBI is actually a dream job for many. So why is it a dream job for many? क्या है ऐसा? That I will be shortly telling you. Firstly, it is actually giving all the benefits of a corporate life. It is going to give you some work which is not monotonous but challenging and dynamic one. Of course, the pay is very good with all the benefits, and transfers are only in cities. Mostly it can be in Mumbai, and security of job is like that of a government job. So you get both job satisfaction as well as job security if you are working here. And the work culture is also very nice. So these are the reasons why SEBI is a good opportunity. Now what are we going to discuss shortly in this session? Of course, आपके दिमाग में काफ़ी सारे queries होंगे regarding the SEBI exam that is there and what are the cutoffs, what is the exam pattern. ये सब मैं आपको shortly इस वीडियो में बताने वाली हूँ. Starting with the most important part, that is the salary. Of course, everybody is working for their own bread and butter. So उसके लिए सैलरी, अलाउंसेस, बेनिफिट्स क्या क्या हैं, ये सब मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ. जॉब प्रोफाइल क्या है, किस तरीके का काम होगा, करियर ग्रोथ किस तरीके की होगी, एलिजिबिलिटी क्या है, एग्जाम पैटर्न क्या है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स अ शॉर्ट प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर दिस एग्जाम. So without wasting any time, let's start with the salary, perks and benefits. Yes, salary is actually a very good number, let me tell you. It is around 1,07,000 per month, which is the gross salary, and yes, it is a very good salary for starting your career. And also this indicates your job security that you will have once you join after clearing this exam. And of course, there are many perks and allowances. As you can see, residential accommodation you will be getting if you are transferred from city to city as well. उस तरीके का भी ध्यान सेबी रखता है. सारे जो आपके अलाउंसेस हैं, जिस तरीके के मेडिकल हो, बुक्स हो, यहाँ तक कि आपकी ब्रीफकेस से लेके स्पेक्स तक का भी अलाउंस आपको सेबी देता है. सो यू आर वेल well secured in this job, salary and perks and allowance point of view से भी. आगे देखते हैं. प्लेस ऑफ पोस्टिंग, एज आई टोल्ड यू, स्टेट कैपिटल्स में ही होती है जनरली. सो जॉब प्रोफाइल पे जाते हैं. जॉब प्रोफाइल किस तरीके का होगा? दैट विल बी ऑफ कोर्स ऑफ रेगुलेटरी एंड अ सुपरवाइजरी नेचर ऑफ जॉब, एंड यू विल बी डीलिंग इन द बायलॉज. लीगल ऑफिसर्स का काम होता है अप्रूविंग ऑफ स्टॉक एक्सचेंज बायलॉज, inspection of stock exchange accounts, and yes, investigating, identifying any kind of malpractices that are taking place within the securities market. यहाँ पे तो बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल हम सबको पता ही है, हर्षद मेहता स्कैम हुआ था 1992 में. उस समय पे सेबी वॉज नॉट हैविंग सो मेनी पावर्स. 1988 में एस्टैब्लिश हो गया था ये बोर्ड, बट 1992 में आफ्टर दिस such a big fraud, it was revised. Earlier इन्वेस्टर्स एंड ब्रोकर्स में जो ट्रांजैक्शंस होते हैं उस पर सेबी का जो रेगुलेशन है वो कहीं ना कहीं इम्प्रूव हुआ, एंड सेबी का कंट्रोल वहाँ पे बढ़ गया। तो यहाँ पे एक्चुअली लीगल ऑफिसर्स के लिए स्पेशली ये जॉब प्रोफाइल काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बन जाता है कि ऐसे तरीके के जो माल प्रैक्टिसेस एंड स्कैम्स होते हैं, ये इन सब चीज़ों में यू हैव टू कीप अ चेक एंड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ the team for SEBI in controlling, in regulating rather all these things. And yes, you can work in the research and development for this job as well. आगे देखते हैं career prospects क्या है. You will be recruited at the grade A level and the designation will be that of assistant manager. This is a very good post to start with, and yes, you will be subjected to 7 grades of promotions, but each is subjected to 4 to 5 years time span, and of course you have to clear exams as well, you have to perform well. But yes, आपका career अगर एक बार शुरू हो जाता है तो career growth काफ़ी अच्छी होगी आपकी. Let me tell you that. You can get promoted to the top management level of SEBI as well. अब जानते हैं eligibility and exam pattern के बारे में, किस तरीके से आप इस तक पहुंच सकते हैं. Eligibility, let me tell you, it is just a bachelor's degree in law you should have from a recognized university, and yes, no experience is required. This is the best part. Freshers के लिए ये काफ़ी अच्छी opportunity है. You can start directly and the age limit will be maximum of 30 years. देखते हैं एग्जाम पैटर्न क्या है. एग्जाम पैटर्न इज डिवाइडेड इनटू फेज 1, 2 and 3. Phase 1 consists of 2 papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 will be for all streams and paper 2 will be, I'm going to stick to legal in this video as we are talking about SEBI legal officer exam. Maximum marks will be 100 and 100 for both the papers. Duration में you can see the difference, 60 and 40 minutes, and the cutoff will be individually 30 and 40% and the aggregate will be 40%. Now if we go, this is actually the screening test that you have to go through in the phase 1 exam, and if you qualify this, which is very important, these marks are only for the purpose of qualification. Later you can go to phase 2 once you qualify this exam. Phase 2, this is also having a similar pattern, just the change is that English you will have for all streams, which is compulsory for all streams. A descriptive test will be there. Rest all the papers are objective type, paper 1 and paper 2, again for legal as well. Negative marking है दोनों भी phases में. Maximum marks, duration pattern and cutoffs का similar रहेगा like phase 1 only. But phase 2 holds importance as marks for this will actually determine your selection. So this is important. किस तरीके से? अब आप अगर अच्छा स्कोर करते हैं then you will go to the interview stage, that is you will be shortlisted and called for the interview and 15% weightage will be given to the interview stage. बाकी का जो 85% है that will be for phase 2 marks. तो this 85 plus 15% will go to 100% appointment. But yes, इसके लिए you have to work hard and also you will need good career guidance. तो उसके लिए आपको आई एग्जाम भी किस तरीके से हेल्प कर सकता है ये भी मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. वी हैव अ गुड SEBI grade A legal online course available exclusively on our website, and also we are going to launch a new batch from the next week, that is on 11th of June 2021. In our comprehensive course we have preparation from all angles for the students, video lessons, study notes available, mock tests, practice tests, live sessions, doubt clarifying sessions with expert faculty for legal. And also मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताना चाहूँगी that from 1 to 1.5 year we are successfully running this course and have also got our students selected for the interview levels as well. And also there were many questions in SEBI question papers that were directly from the content provided at our iExamB legal course. So for further queries you can contact on this number and also on this website and come to us for further guidance. I would like to end this video. Before that, I would like to just tell you one thing, friends and fellow men, that please aim high in life. अगर आपको कुछ बनना है तो आपको मेहनत तो करनी होगी, but that has to be done with a high aim in life. Only then you can achieve something which is very good, which you deserve to achieve, and also give a better life to yourself and your family. Yes. So for further updates relating to government exams, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, iExamBee, and stay tuned as we make it easy over here. Thank you.